When should a builder use a zoned HVAC system? Almost always we have situations where there are different levels in the room. When the loads are that out of balance, that is an opportunity to seriously consider zoning. There's also usage. For example, bedrooms, different than living areas, rec rooms and so forth, kitchens especially. To overdo the upper level is a problem. On the other hand, on the cooling season, it's the opposite. If you don't have enough air up there, the cooling starts at the top as opposed to in the winter where the heating starts at the bottom. The difference between a single zone system and a multi-zone system, and a multi-zone system being more than one, two or more, is that you are creating independence in the ducting trunk lines.
The zoning approach we took in this house is 2 levels. All the bedrooms are upstairs. Most people like to have a certain temperature at sleeping time. So now these homeowners are able to adjust the temperature in the bedrooms in the night.
I would say in most houses, there is an advantage to zoning, but if it's not done well, which is the case most of the time, unfortunately, it's a disaster. In this house, it was very advantageous to split the house into 2 zones. Main floor as one zone in the upper level as the second zone. We could have further split it, but the loads were relatively even across the second floor because the house is very, very tight and hits a high performance thermal level as a building. Essentially, you're separating the airflow. It's like 2 highways going 2 different places, and you're putting a toll boost, 1 on each. Those are zone dampers. And you can do that multiple times. If this house had, for example, 3 zones, 4 zones, there would be 3 or 4 independent supply trunks, each with their own zone damper that is coordinated through a central zone board. So you're putting zone dampers in trunk lines that are dedicated to a specific area of the house. For example, in this house, there's an independent trunk line for the upper level. On this project, we benefited from the integrated design process, the coordination. Out of that, we got a zone system, multi-stage furnace, heating and cooling, high wall supplies on the upper level, and a sealed ducting system. If you want more information about zoning and other aspects of mechanical design, it would be a good thing for mechanical designers to check out the guide